The only way down the hill is to go back. Okay? So the best way to do it, listen, the best way to do it is to run. Okay? Come on.
Twice as big as the first one.
Don't cry, Mama. You wanted to see what a centipede was, huh? Okay.
No, this way.
That way. Okay. We're going to be on the road. Okay? That was fun.
No, it was not. That thing was freaking huge.
Well, what is the other one? How long was it?
It was fat. It wasn't skinny like the first one.
I think that was a baby thing. That was cool.
That was freaking huge.
David did a little dance. I think they got scared of us. We moved.
We started screaming too.
Don't cry, okay?
Yeah. Irene.
This was like so exciting.
Falling down a hill and then using two centipedes.
There's a video of it.
Of your reaction. I'm sorry, it was too funny.
Now we're going down the road.
You got the camera so we could show all.
Hey, I wouldn't want. Don't you?
For pee?
Don't you think? Hey, no. Don't you think it was funny how we all got scared over a little centipede? You know what was the best part?
You
falling together.
Jumping up and down.
Ay, me dieron ansia.
Don't cry.
Nothing.
Well, you're not supposed to touch it because it does have little pinchers.
Oh.
But again, we were going private.
Yeah.
Irene, I think we went the wrong way. Just look. But that's not.
No, you see, but then we'll go up that.
Oh, okay.
Road. Well, we have to hurry up because the sun is going down. The sun goes down.
I have extras, no worries.
Oh my gosh, buddy.
It was hilarious. That's what that was.
The battery can die. Then what are we going to do? When the sun goes down.
The coyotes are going to go.
Alisa, remember you said, yeah, go to the bathroom here. ¿Te imaginas?
It tracks you down, Mama. If you pee, especially.
You know who's special? My mother.
That's for sure.
Sure is.
You peed?
I know who's
And Alyssa luego ran to her. She's like, are you okay? Oh.
Centipede.
Oh, the centipede. But that's fine. See, now when you call your Nina or Daddy, you can tell them, this is what I saw on our nature walk. You're going to say, I saw a centipede. A real one. With a lot of million little legs.